There's a beautiful quote: alone is a state of being, a body, whereas loneliness is a state of mind. Loneliness is just a feeling, and it can be transformed into solitude, into aloneness, a state where you get comfortable and even joyous, where you start even enjoying your aloneness. My name is Dr. Preeti Kohli, and along with me, you will take on this journey into the depths of your own being. And we will go from states of loneliness to aloneness, and maybe even deeper to connectedness. Let us start with coming to our breath. Take a comfortable posture. Bring your awareness to your breath. Just watch the natural breath, the natural incoming breath and the outgoing breath. Become present. Present to your breath. Present to yourself. Present to what is. And in a state of acceptance. Accept what is. To the state of awareness, to the state of presence, add this quality of acceptance. Now bring your attention to this feeling of loneliness. If you would feel this feeling of loneliness in your body, where do you sense it the most? Where do you feel it? Maybe you feel a heaviness or an emptiness, or some other sensation in your heart or any other part of your body. Just be present to it. Become aware of it. Know your feelings. Know your body. Know yourself. Do not resist anything. Do not be attached to the feeling. Watch it just with compassion and curiosity, as if wanting to understand it deeper. And now, keeping your attention to this space, allow your awareness to take a journey into the depths of it. As if entering your own body and going deeper into it. With your loving attention, loving awareness, move into this emptiness. Move into this feeling deeper. Be with this emptiness. Be in a state of allowingness, of acceptance. Be with this emptiness. Be in a state of allowingness, of acceptance of what you feel, see, or experience. Osho says, you have to encounter your emptiness. You have to accept it. And in your acceptance is hidden a great revelation. The moment you accept your aloneness, your emptiness, its very quality changes. It becomes just its opposite. It becomes an abundance, a fulfillment, and overflowing of joy and love. Your breath is this transforming factor. Your presence and non-resistance does this magic. When you are with your breath, you are present to the life force in you. You are present to the silence within. Stillness within. Start becoming present to the joy within. Joy which is not a result of any doing or any trigger from outside. A joy which just is. Become present to it. Just be a witness as your state, your feeling, is transforming from loneliness to aloneness. Where you are enjoying your state of being alone. Keep moving into the depths of your own self. All the wonders you seek are within yourself. knowing yourself, you know the universe. You know all that is worth knowing. Keep going deeper. We are all connected. We are separate like a drop or like a wave. But as we go deeper within ourselves, we know ourselves as the ocean. There is no separateness. Drop into that state of connectedness. You are not alone. No matter what you are facing today, know this and remember this. You are not alone. Remember this state of being. Remember this feeling in your body, so that the next time you start feeling lonely, just by remembering it and by being with your breath, you will be able to start transforming it. Carrying this feeling of joy and connectedness, slowly you can start returning back. Take a couple of long and deep breaths. You may rub your palms together, cover your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this journey with me.